Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Eventbrite, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for Eventbrite, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type eventbrite.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the sign up button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be presented with several options for account creation. You can choose to sign up using your email address or connect via social media platforms like Facebook or Google. If you opt for email registration, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a secure password that meets the specified requirements. Be sure to confirm your password by re-entering it in the provided field. After filling out the necessary information, click on the Sign Up button. You may be asked to confirm your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Eventbrite. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once your email is confirmed, you may be redirected back to Eventbrite. At this point, you are officially registered and ready to explore events. To log in, click on the Login button at the top right of the home page. Enter your registered email address and password in the appropriate fields. Click on the Login button to access your account. Now you can start searching for events, purchasing tickets, and managing your bookings. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for Eventbrite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.